Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and connecting the base unit because a stable wired WAN is how the mesh will get internet. First, plug the base into your modem with the Ethernet cable and then into power. That ensures the router can fetch an IP. Place the first satellite roughly halfway between the base and the main coverage gap so signal strength is good. Once done, watch LEDs for a steady white or blue to confirm the base finished booting and is ready for setup. You open the Nighthawk app because it streamlines provisioning and firmware updates. Sign in or create a Netgear account, then let the app detect the base. This auto-configures DHCP and WAN settings. Name your Wi-Fi network and choose a secure password. This protects all connected devices. Next, tap Add Satellite and power each satellite near the base for initial sync, then move them to final locations. Make sure the app shows satellites as connected before proceeding, since that confirms backhaul and mesh formation. You finish by optimizing placement and confirming performance because placement affects every device. Walk through your home testing Wi-Fi and key rooms. If throughput lags, move a satellite closer or use Ethernet backhaul to the base for guaranteed speed. Update the system firmware through the app to fix bugs and improve stability, and enable auto-updates to avoid future problems. If the mesh won't connect, reboot the modem and base, then resync satellites. That simple reset solves most handshake and IP conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.